In this video, I'll show you how you can trim and cut videos in Davinci Resolve 16. Let's get into this right away. So I just opened up a random clip and I clicked on edit, and that's what you want to do as well. So that's step number one. Now step number two is going to wherever you want to trim. So let's say that I want to trim the first few seconds. I then select this and drag this over here. Next up, you want to click on the trim mode, which is right there next to the selection mode. You can also click on T on your keyboard. Select that. Next up, go to the start of your video until you'll see these brackets pointing in opposite directions, and then next up, select it and then drag this over to the selection tool. So I've just trimmed or cut the first few seconds of this video. Now next up, you want to click on the selection tool again and then slide this over to the start of your video. So that's how you can trim the first few seconds. But let's say that you want to cut out a part in the middle of your video. You then want to select this tool right here. So that's next to the trim and edit mode. So click on this tool, and then next up, you can simply left click and then left click again. Now you've you've basically selected this part of your video. You can then click on the selection tool again, select this part, and then simply click backspace or right click, which I'll show you. Let's say you want to cut out this part. You can then select it again, right click, and then delete selected. Once again, you can then select the selection tool and drag this over here, and that's how you can trim or cut out a part of a video. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.